Hi, I'm going to talk about trends and challenges of domestic labor laws. In India, we have a lot of acts to protect the rights of labor class, and these laws are often amended to get these updated and cater the current needs. A lot of new acts also are being enacted from time to time. But what we see is lacking is the implementation of laws. Even though we have very good laws, but we fail when it comes to the implementation. I will give an example of Prevention of Sexual Harassment Act, which was enacted in year 2013, and the act has not been properly implemented, particularly if we look at the startups who feel that the implementation of this act may increase their cost, or they find it difficult to find an expert who would help them. And further, we see that there is no proper policy in the place, or a committee is often not uh, in the organization, and all these things create a lot of problems and make it difficult to implement the act in the organizations. And I feel there is a need of training to the organizations, and organizations should also train their employees very well. There should be a policy in the place so that everybody knows if there is such an incident, what should be the remedy, whom to approach, and what needs to be done. And also, if we look at the penalties prescribed by the Act, those are not adequate. In my opinion, there should be a proper penalty system, and also there should be an audit which should happen at least once in a year to check whether an organization is properly implementing the Act or not. If the Act is not being implemented properly, then a penalty should be imposed on the organizations. And second issue I'm going to talk about is the equality in the private sector. When it comes to private jobs or private sector, equal employment opportunities are not found across the industries, across the labor class. If we look at other countries have come up with a concept called Equal Opportunities Commission. And this commission ensures that equality of opportunities is ensured in the private sector, and it makes various guidelines. It uh, does audits on the organizations, and if any employee has any grievance, employees can go and file the complaint with the commission, and a proper investigation takes place. I see there is such a great need of an equal employment opportunity commission in India, and it should be formed at a central level, and all the organizations should be subject to its jurisdiction in India. This will help to grow the private sector in India, because even though we have right to equality under the constitution, but Article 12 makes it only applicable, or a state is defined under Article 12 only, which is a state as, say, government organization or any other bodies. We cannot make subject a private organization under it. So there is a great need of an equal employment commission in India. And next thing I will talk about is the non-compete clauses, which we find often in the employment agreements in India. Even though these clauses are not valid or void as per the section 27 of the Indian Contract Act, but still employees are being harassed on these clauses. There is a need that government should at least take some steps to ensure that employees are not harassed for these clauses, and employment opportunities are protected, and employees should have a fair opportunity to look for the other opportunities. And lastly, I see a trend increasing in India is the notice period, which is increasing, which initially was 15 days, then 30 days, and now it has increased to 3 months, in some cases 4 months as well. And employees find it very difficult to find new jobs because of these uh, higher number of employment notice periods. If we look at other countries, usually we see that the notice period is from 15 days to 30 days. But in India, there is a trend which we see is that the notice period is increasing from 3 months, 4 months, and in some cases it goes beyond that also. And the biggest problem is that we do not have any particular law on the notice periods. If any an act is passed or any amendment is made to the proper laws which we have in the place, so that a notice period is regulated properly, government should enact the law which prescribes a notice period of 15 to 30 days, which should be ideal and which will help employees to find better job opportunities and help them to save themselves from the harassment which employees usually face during the notice period. So, with this, I would like to conclude.